with making a 3D printer with James and this guy.
Bother.
The first step is software. Note, most ducks come squashed.
Pre-squashed.
Pre-squashed.
No extra charge. Throw caution to the wind and
fry a board.
If it fits, it sits.
Now we plug things into other things.
It's like building a computer. Like, things only plug into one spot, usually.
Normally. It's like trying to plug something into the wall and then it doesn't fit, and then you turn around, it doesn't fit, and then you turn around and it fits.
Exactly.
If you try hard enough.
Also, every time you plug in USB.
Want some cables? I got cables. I've got so many cables.
Hey!
Hey, Clipper startup.
Clipper startup!
We got it.
After you do that,
We got him.
Yes.
pour Gatorade on Conrad.
Yeah. Okay, so the first thing looks like we're putting these heat set inserts. So basically what we do is we get these things really hot and we push them in and it melts the plastic around them and then they fuse in there and then we can screw a screw into this.
Okay.
Very end.
What's that thing?
This is the soldering iron. So I can set this to whatever temp I want.
Kind of looks like a little face.
Periodilio.
Hey, it's an extruder, everybody.
Hey, extruder. We did it. Well, one extruder anyway.
Okay, and then
Green extruder, black extruder.
Extruder. Wow.
I'm pretty sure this is the way. I wouldn't imagine you'd do it.
this is the way.
Mission accomplished. We finished the
Extruders are
extruder.
done. This guy's done. Do it the right way. Dissociation.
Alright, get that set screw in. Okay, yeah. Come on. So let me flip this around It starts to actually look like a hot end here. It still feels, there you go. And comes with a little sock. Come on. Oh. Gonna need some space for that sock.